Good morning. So we'll use the Booster Pro. Ay, gagawin mo. Ay, sorry. So we're finally gonna use it. Ignore my wet t-shirt kasi kakahilamos ko lang. So we're gonna try it today since sakto kakagising ko lang din. And we're gonna use a mic kasi naka-fan ako para mas dinig yung voice ko. And nakakatamad mag-edit kapag lalagyan ko pa ng mga captions para tuloy-tuloy. Wait, let me open it. Okay, so ang mali ko, hindi ko siya chinarge kagabi. I'm not sure if aabot siya sa 4 modes na kailangan in order daw gagamitin paggamit pala. So, this is the Medicube. Tignan nyo gano'n siya ka-cute. This is the Medicube HR Pro. Booster Pro, yes. Hindi ko pa naalis yung kanyang ano ba to? Yung plastic. So, let's peel it off together. Satisfying. So, according sa napanood ko, 4 modes ang meron siya.
Booster mode, level 1.
Booster mode. But the first one you're gonna use with the dry skin, wala ka pang nilalagay na any product sa face mo dapat is air shot. So, ayan siya itsura.
Microcurrent mode, Derma shot mode, level 1. Air shot mode.
Okay. So, ito yung gagamitin natin. Accompanied by blue light. And it's better if first time gagamitin, level 1 muna. So, once dinikit mo siya sa skin mo, dun siya magsa-start dun sa timer, automatic. And, iba yung paglapat nitong mode na to sa muka. Kasi, ang pinaka-purpose niya is to exfoliate yung dead skin and to open pores para dun sa mga susunod na mode para mas ma-absorb yung product. Okay, let's try. Medyo prickly yung feeling. Once na dumikit nga siya, mag-aano na siya. Parang nakita ilang time meron. Sweeping motion pa outside down. Maramdaman mo may parang mga sonic vibration. Ano pala siya? Ito siguro yung sinasabi nun ni Pert nung tinry niya yung naka-display. Nag-ground siya. Galing! Nagsasalita siya kung ilang minutes na yung lumilipas. Oo. Tapos yung pakiramdam niya parang hindi siya umiinit. Maano siya, parang may ano bang tawag dun? May needle. Parang ganun. Parang electronic needle nga. Tama nga yung dun sa nakakita ko. So, pang-exfoliate ng dead skin para sa pore care. I-open niya yung pores mo para dun sa susunod na mga option. Kasi dapat in order siya eh. Mag-o-open siya tapos dun mo ilalagay. Oo, may siya, in order mo dapat siya gagawin. No, this one, buti tinanong ni Per. 2 to 3 times a week mo lang dapat gagamitin yung air shot. Kasi 'di ba, kahit naman yung sa mga normal product, pag nag-exfoliate ka, hindi siya advisable to be or gawin ng everyday yung pag-exfoliate. At least 2 times a week. So, yeah. Ramdam mo siya. Sweeping effect. Pakak. So, yung open yung ganyan. Hindi ko alam kung naririnig kanina yung nagsasalita. dun sa device eh. Pero, ini-inform niya if ilang oras na nakalipas. Kasi, this will last for 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes daw sa Facebook. So, para ka lang may pa-facial sa bahay. Ha? Naririnig ko siya.
Minutes passed.
Okay. Finish lang natin to. 3 minutes na daw. I'm amazed. Korea skincare is in another level. Zipper nandun sa likod. Okay, so we're done. Next is the booster mode, which is accompanied by orange light. Level 1 muna tayo. And this time, we're gonna use a product that suits your skin. So, this is the first time itatry ko tong sa kanila din galing, Medicube. Medicube number 1. Medicube PDRN Serum. So, PDRN is, sabi nila, good for the skin. Ang main ingredient niya is salmon sperm. Yun daw siya. And for some reason, it's a thing sa Korea. So, maraming product doon na may mga PDRN. Doon ko lang din nalaman eh. Na good pala for the skin yun. So, it will help your skin to be more plump or healthy looking. So, let's see. Ano pala siya? Parang drops ang style. So, wait. Gonna put it everywhere. Woo! Yung cute pink kakulay ng device. Okay. So, amoy Palmolive. Ewan ko bakit, amoy Palmolive. Make sure your hands are clean. Ay, ba't namatay? OMG, nalobat yata ako. Okay, hindi. Napatay lang yata. Let's go. Ooh! Ba't ganun yung feeling? Parang nakakatakot. Yung sonic vibration niya, parang ang lakas nung level 1. So, sabi, it's ideal to do it in a circular motion. This is also known as yung glow mode. Yung kanina, care pore mode. Okay. Hala, ba't ganun yung pakiramdam? Ang weird. So, let's not forget the forehead. Tapos, ang amazing, pag inangat mo siya, hihinto siya. Magko-continue lang yung sonic vibration pag dinikit mo siya sa balat mo. Hindi ko pa masyado na-explore yung product kasi parang nakita ko dun sa manual. Since Hangul kasi, walang English translation. Alam ko may app na pwedeng gamitin. So, yeah. Oh, parang may tingling effect. Good thing level 1 para din hindi ako mabigla. Kasi parang ang scary niya. In a circular upward motion. Okay, I'm gonna finish this. 1 minute more. So, lahat ng ginawa ko is like 5 minutes. So, nakadalawang mode na tayo. First is yung air shot, then booster shot. Booster shot. Accompanied by orange light. Then the first one kanina is blue light yata yung kanina.
Minutes passed.
Okay, done. Next is... What's next?
Level 2.
I know.
Level 1.
Mode.
Current mode. Level 1.
Okay, so next is microcurrent, which is yung green light nila. Okay, let's try. Sabi, ito naman motion is pa-up. This will help your skin to tighten more. So, let's see. I'm scared. Charot. Ooh. Kung naririnig niyo siya, yung tunog niya, parang yung lightsaber sa Star Wars. Okay. So yung kanina, parang siyang may beat yung sonic vibration niya. Ito daw, it's ideal to do it in a straight upward motion. Kasi, it will help your skin to volume up. So kung may mga fine lines, for me, ito, tingin ko yung favorite ko. Kasi parang nakaka-massage ng mukha. See, it will help your skin to sculpt yung pinaka-ano niya, shape. Oh, diba? So, do it in an upward motion daw. Okay, so just repeat that within 5 minutes. Ano naman siya eh. Sasabihin naman siya here sa device kung nakailang minutes ka na. Ay, ako kanina napipindot ko yung mode. So, inoorasan ko din kung nakailang ano na ako. Para i-continue ko lang kung malipat ko man yung category or yung option. Okay. Finish ko lang ito. So, ko talaga parinig yung tunog sa inyo. Ganyan. Amazing, di ba? Para siyang lightsaber. Ito yata yung speaker. So, mali yata akong tinatapatan ng mic. Okay. Naka 3 minutes na ako dito sa MC or microcurrent mode. So, kapag tapos na pala yung session niya, kasi kanina napipindot ko, hindi ko nabubuo yung 5 minutes. So, another 1 minute. Kapag nakumpleto mo siya, magsa-stop siya automatically. And unlike any other type of device, wala siyang, ano bang tawag dun? Cooling effect or what. Kasi, the device is made for sonic vibrations. So, mga different type of sonic vibrations yung mararamdaman mo once lumapat dun sa skin. So, next is Dermashot. Dermashot is the last option for this one. I think ito na yung pang relax nung muscle. So, dito makikita niyo yung weird effect na makikita niyo talaga magtutwitch yung mata niyo involuntarily. Kasi it would help your muscle to relax after doing the other session. So, ito na yung parang kumbaga sa exercise, pampa-cool down. So, let's see. Ano muna tayo? Level 1. Let's Let's go. Ooh. 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 Oh my gosh. Ang weird. But parang pag first time masakit? Hindi naman yung masakit na masakit, pero ano siya? Bearable. Ayun, papakita ko sa inyo yung twitching emerald niya. Pero nakakakiliti. Nakakakiliti, Bert. Para siyang may magtutwitch talaga yung mga mata mo. Makikita mo. Masakit siya pag di ka sanay. Parang mabibigla ka, mapapalayo, mo. Parang umaabot sa anit ko yung kiliti. Kasi para siyang may vibration sa loob.
Paano malalaman kung lubat na siya?
Ayan, may battery indicator. Kung low bat na siya. Kala ko nga kanina namatay. Nag-automatic off pala siya pag naka-on siya ng matagal tapos di mo ginagamit. Ayun o. See that? It's twitching! OMG. Ayan. But it's normal according sa mga pinanood kong video na nag-review na ng product. Sobrang nakakakiliti. Hindi ko alam. Oh, weird. Bakit nakakakiliti? Pero relaxing. Feeling ko I'll get used to it in time. Kasi siguro bago lang siya sa akin. Kaya parang okay. So this is the last mode that you'll use. Make sure that you use it in order. Kasi yun yung process nung pag-absorb quickly nung product sa balat mo. So, a main purpose ng device is to see results instantly using the products that you prefer. And Korea is known for their very good skin products. So far, hindi pa naman nag-act up yung balat ko kahit nung wala pa tong device. Ayan, nagsalita na siya 2 minutes. Tapusin ko lang to. Pero nakakakiliti talaga sa noo. Parang umaabot sa anit ko. Ganun pala yung feeling. Kaya pala sabi nila, sa una, di ka may twitching. Scary. So, you can use the other 3 modes apart dun sa air shot. Twice a day, sabi. Twice or thrice a day. At least once. Kung yun ang prefer mo. Pero ako itatry ko mamaya ulit gabi. Okay, tapusin ko lang to. Hindi pala nakatapat yung mic. So, ulitin ko. Make sure you use your favorite or your preferred products using the device. Any serum will do because as I've mentioned, the purpose of this product or this device is to absorb the product deep into your skin. So, for me, I used the Medicube PDRN pink serum. Okay, so it's done. So, ayun yung sabi ko. When it's done, it would automatically stop. And, ayan, may timer. It would turn off. Nice, diba? So, I don't know. I'm amazed. I'm amazed on how the device works because I'm really surprised. As you can see, it's a small device, but it has very powerful sonic vibration because the device that I was using since 2023 is just a HIFU device that would help sculpt your face. And usually it's advised to be used 2 times a week lang. I use it, I was using it lately kasi nag-stop akong gamitin kasi tamad ako. But yun, kailangan yun, nakasaksak siya bago mo magamit sa mukha. And this one, pwede, i-charge mo lang siya. It's very handy and compact. You can bring it everywhere, especially when you're traveling a lot. So, let's see if effective siya after a few weeks, a couple of weeks, since I've been focusing on skincare essentials and after the Booster Pro, ayan siya, no filter, so we'll see. And the only product I've used is this. Nakalimutan ko mag-toner. Dapat pala after nung air shot, nag-toner na ako and then tsaka ako naglagay nito. So, I'm just gonna do it later. Okay, so ayun lang. If hindi nyo masyado naiintindihan, you can research about it before buying. So, I got this one directly online sa Olive Young and natuwa ko kasi discounted price. Pero di ako natuwa nung shinip na kasi malaki yung binayaran. Hindi naman malaki pero nagulat lang ako. Parang di din ako naka-discount nung pinadala ni DHL. Pero ganun talaga kasi nandun naman yun sa terms and condition na sagot mo yung tax if ever ipapadala sa'yo sa tax sa customs. Okay? So, ayun lang. And the other products na natitira ko na lang na i-review are this. And yung stick, yung Foodology jelly stick, kumain na ako kagabi. And tinry ko rin kanina umaga. Well, I'm not sure if placebo. Pero mukhang nakakabusog siya or nakakawala ng cravings kasi yun daw yung use nun and it reduces yung bloat feeling. So, either pwede mo siya kainin before kumain or after kumain. So, ayun lang. I'll review the other products soon pag sinipag ako. Okay, that's it. Bye. By the way, share ko lang. I'm not sure if gina-justify ko lang yung pagbili ko ng product na to. Na, ayan o, you can see, so plump. And, well, my skin is better or may improvement na even before using it because I'm already using other products from Olive Young, which I was very happy about kahit medyo hindi hindi ideal kasi most ng mga product is mabibili mo siya doon lang. Well, meron din naman kasi natatakot ako bumili sa ibang shop. Baka mataon na fake yung makuha ko. So, let's see. Since mag-e-effort tayo na if it's like just a once a month na o-order, I think it's doable. Pero mas maganda talaga if you'll come in Seoul and kahit saan doon, parang saan ka lumingon doon may Olive Young, bilhin mo na, mag-hoard ka na kasi super sulit. Mas mura yung magagastos mo compared kapag pinadala mo pa. Kasi syempre may shipping fee, customs, lalo na if marami kang binili, hindi naman mapipigilan yun. So, if you'll travel to Korea, definitely hoard skincare products. Hoard as much as you can. See? You'll never regret it. Kasi it's an investment for yourself, for your skin. And yeah, since hindi naman tayo pumabata, it would definitely not make you younger, but it would slow down yung aging mo, which would make you happy. Ako, yun yung happiness ko ngayon. Ang maglagay ng anik-anik sa mukha. So, yun lang. Bye!